a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything, you never questioned why. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right. All the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough.
There's also Japanese sake.
There in the moment, in my white dress, an overwhelming second of regret. Driving on a freeway with no exit signs, losing control and speeding faster than light. All this time I waited.
This is a curry salad with bean sprouts.
Everything felt right. And all the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough.
It's very tasty and goes well with beer.
All this time I waited for a season where everything felt.
The famous beefsteak rice bowl is here.
All the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough. A bottle of wine will get me every time.
This beefsteak bowl is loved by many Western food connoisseurs.
And you're ready to be mine.
Japanese black Wagyu beef is marinated in a seasoning blend of Tamari soy sauce, mirin, and sugar to draw out the excess fat and grill it.
Make it right. I'll be yours
The meat is tender and moist, and the sweetness of the black pepper and marinade harmonize perfectly with the melting butter and the sweetness of the black pepper.
both of us lost in this ugly life. Right here, all that matters.
The courtyard with a view of the waterfall is lovely. The restaurant has been serving delicious Western-style food since its founding in 1950. The famous beefsteak bowl created by the restaurant's founder Koso Tsutsui is a perennial favorite and continues to evolve and reach even greater heights of flavor. This is a white omu-rice. I asked her why this was white. She said she used white eggs.
here in the moment.
Ah, what if you may have noticed by now? Exactly. I eat a lot,
Both of us lost in this ugly life.
but there are times when I'm too busy and don't have time to eat anything.
Darling, hold on, and let's save this night.
The popping texture is good.
Let's save this night.
The rice inside is a Japanese-style shrimp
Let's save
rice.
this night. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light. I'll be yours till the morning light. Here in the moment.
There are not many places where you can feel the Japanese scenery in the middle of the city.
Both of us lost in this ugly life. Right here, all that matters is you and I. Darling, hold on, and let's save this night. Let's save this night. Let's save this night.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.